start our meeting today. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, good morning everybody.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, how's life? How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm very well, thank you. Okay, well, students, before we start our meeting, please fill in the attendance. Silahkan mengisi daftar hadir yang sudah saya share melalui WA group ya. Silahkan kalian isi. And next, please lead this class to pray before we start our meeting today. Who wants to be a volunteer to lead this class to pray? Silakan dipimpin untuk berdoa dulu sebelum kita mulai pelajaran hari ini. Go ahead, Nin.
Before starting today's study, let us pray together. Pray begins. Finish, thank you.
Okay, thank you, Nanindia. Well, students, let's continue our material. Nah, sebelum kita lanjutkan, are you still happy now? Masih ceria dan masih semangat hari ini? Are you still happy now? Masih ceria dan semangat ya untuk mengikuti pembelajaran dari rumah hari ini?
Masih.
Oke, baik. Jadi harus tetap semangat ya. Sekalipun masih dalam kondisi pandemi, tetapi saya harap, I hope you will still enhance your spirit to school from home. Jadi sekalipun masih pandemi seperti ini, harapan saya tetap semangat untuk belajar dari rumah. Ya, silahkan cari sumber belajar inspiratif lainnya yang bisa kalian temukan di luar jam pembelajaran. So, keep your spirit to stay at home and study in pandemic situation. Oke, tetap semangat, jadi nggak boleh menyerah. Kemudian, next, do you still remember what we have discussed in our previous meeting, students? Ada yang masih ingat minggu lalu kita sudah belajar apa saja? Okay, who wants to be a volunteer to explain it, please? What we have discussed in our previous meeting. Minggu lalu sudah belajar apa saja ya?
Tentang pengumuman.
Okay,
Announcement text.
Yes, good. Announcement text. What is announcement text? What is announcement text?
Sebuah pengumuman.
Yes. Sebuah pengumuman. Pengumuman itu biasanya digunakan untuk apa? And what about the social function of announcement text?
To give information.
Okay, good. Thank you. Give information. Any other idea? Selain memberi informasi, ada pendapat lain. Apa saja fungsinya?
To ask people to do things.
Okay, to ask people to do things. Okay, great. Thank you. And any others idea? To give information. And then to ask people to do things. Any others?
To invite to event.
Okay, to invite the people in an event. Okay, good. Thank you so much for your answer. Okay, great. And next, the social function. Done. And how about the structure of announcement? Struktur announcement itu ada
opening,
berapa?
content, closing.
Okay, the first one is opening, content, and closing. Okay, great answer. And how about the language features of announcement?
Simple present tense.
Okay, we usually use simple present tense. Great. And any others?
Simple future tense.
Okay, thank you, Pavita. Simple future tense. Okay, kejadian yang mana baru akan dilaksanakan ya. Kemudian, ada lagi? Any other idea? Okay, usually show Date. Apalagi selain date?
Time and place.
Oke, time and place. The event will be held ya. Biasanya ada keterangan tempat, waktu, dan istilahnya di mana kegiatan yang akan diselenggarakan. Oke, great. Thank you for your answer, students. Okay, well, today we will discuss about our next material ya. Jadi hari ini kita akan membahas tentang lanjutan dari materi kemarin. Jenis-jenis pengumuman atau announcement. Oke, baik. Sudah terlihat share screen-nya? Sudah terlihat ya share screen-nya ya? Sudah terlihat?
Sudah, Bu.
Oke, good.
Sudah, Bu.
Okay, baik. In our meeting today, we will discuss about announcement tag and the kinds of announcement tags. And I will give you some learning objectives today. Jadi, tujuan pembelajaran kita hari ini itu apa saja? Okay, let's check it out. The first one is, okay, students can analyze the social function, language features of announcement text through the video correctly. And the second is, students can create announcement text through Microsoft Word creatively. So this is our learning objectives today, students. Okay, you got it? Do you understand? Okay, do you understand, students?
Yeah.
Yes, thank you. Okay, so now silahkan setelah ini kalian bisa mengunduh atau mendownload ya, atau silahkan kalian unduh bahan ajar, kemudian lembar tugas yang sudah saya share melalui WA group kelas ya. Setelah ini kalian unduh untuk didiskusikan bersama. Sebelum kita diskusi, let's watch this video first. Okay, well, student, have you watched this video? Okay, yes. Okay, I will ask you for several questions. What do you think about this video? Okay, what can you get from this video, students? Apa yang bisa kalian dapatkan dari video yang sudah kalian tonton hari ini? Based on the video, how many kinds of announcement text? Ada berapa jenis pengumuman yang dapat kalian lihat dari video tadi? Okay, two kinds. Okay, can you explain it? The first one is
Spoken announcement.
okay. The first one is spoken announcement. How about the second?
Written announcement.
Okay, written announcement. Okay, good. So from the video, you can look at the difference between spoken and written announcement. And how about the characteristic of spoken announcement? Okay, how about the characteristic of spoken? Karakteristik dari spoken announcement biasanya bagaimana?
Singkat, padat, dan jelas.
Okay, usually the information is short and simple. And how about the opening? Biasanya diawali dengan apa?
Attention please.
Attention please.
Okay, usually begins with attention please. And then where we usually can find the spoken announcement? Di mana biasanya kita bisa temukan itu?
School, market, train, station, bus station.
Okay, good answer. Thank you so much. And how about the second one? Okay, written announcement. Okay, how about the characteristic of written announcement?
Use the title, type or event, date, time, and contact person.
Okay, use the title, type, or event. Yeah, so you have to read event, date, time, and contact person. And we usually can find the announcement in television, radio, newspaper, and magazine. Okay, thank you. Any question so far? Ada pertanyaan dulu?
Tidak, Bu.
Okay, good. So the announcement divided into two kinds, yeah, spoken and written. And after you watch the video, okay, here are the group assignment. Setelah ini, kalian akan saya minta untuk bekerja secara berpasangan atau berkelompok ya. Silakan work in pair. You have to work in pair to create or to write a school announcement. Remember, the announcement has one of the following purposes. The first one is to tell something, and the second to invite people to events, to ask people to do things, or to publicize an event. You can choose any kind of topic related with an event in your school. Consider the situation of pandemic. Oke, baik. Ini tugas kelompoknya. Jadi kalian silahkan membuat sebuah teks, sebuah pengumuman tertulis, ya, yang tujuannya bisa memilih salah satu dari keempat tujuan yang ada. Topiknya apa? You can choose any kind of topic related with event in your school. Oke, you got it? Jadi bisa memilih topiknya, silahkan pilih. Diskusi setelah ini melalui WhatsApp grup kalian, silahkan berdiskusi untuk menentukan topik announcement kalian. Oke, you got it?
Yes.
Yeah, do you understand? Okay, good. Baik, saya beri waktu berdiskusi kurang lebih selama 20 minutes ya, more about 20 minutes. Please make a discussion for about 20 minutes ya. Setelah 20 menit, silahkan nanti kalian bisa presentasikan hasil tugas kalian. You can present your result with your friends.
Presentasi di Zoom sini.
Yes, bisa ya. Bisa di share screen nanti, oke? Begitu. Oke. Okay. Well, students, have you finished your discussion with your friends? Sudah selesai diskusi dengan temannya? Topik apa yang sudah kalian temukan untuk tugas kelompok hari ini?
Hari ini akan menjadi hari yang baik. Hari ini menjadi hari yang
Kelas tambahan, Bu.
Oke, baik. Itu suara bisa dikecilkan. Ada suara TV ya? Oke, well students, who want to present your result, please? Siapa yang mau presentasi? Silakan. Oke, siapa yang presentasi?
Saya.
Oke, good. Oke, thank you, Maureen. Oke, you can share screen now.
Iya.
Yes, go ahead. Oke, baik, sudah terlihat sharing screen-nya.
Sudah.
Oke, baik, saya mulai saja. Oke, well students, thank you for your time. You have discussed with your friend and you have finished your group assignment to create an announcement or a written announcement. And so please, Maureen, you can present your result to your friends. Go ahead. Silakan presentasikan, Maureen, hasil yang sudah kamu selesaikan.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hai teman-teman, di sini saya akan mempresentasikan tugas saya. Announced to all grade 12 students of SMK Ketintang Surabaya, there will be some extra classes due to the national exam. It is assumed that all grade 12 students are required to follow an additional class agenda. It assumes that all grade the schools show activities that make their students pass the exam. They're better and are also supported when the national exams take place. And this activity can be shared with all students. These activities will be carried out before starting. This agenda will start next Monday. So I thank you very much. Surabaya, 24 Oktober 2020.
Okay, thank you. Well, any comments? Ada yang mau menanggapi dulu? Is there any advice or any comments for Maureen's presentation? Ada yang mau menanggapi dulu? Presentasi Maureen bagaimana? Ada yang mau menambahi? Mungkin? Baik, tadi ada koreksi, some correction ya, masukannya untuk beberapa, pertama untuk dari segi penulisannya dulu. Di sini, title, there is a title and content, and the last one is closing. Good. This is a complete announcement. Strukturnya sudah lengkap. Kemudian untuk penulisan, you can look at here. Pass exam. Ini masih ada kesalahan penulisan ya. Nanti bisa diperbaiki.
Iya.
Ini harusnya pass di exam atau kurang space-nya saja atau di spasi. Kemudian di sini bagaimana cara membacanya ya, atau how to pronounce several words here. Ada Monday, Wednesday, and Friday ya. And then for time, you can read home from school till 2. Nah, kalau 2 siang berarti apa? 2 p.m. Kalau pagi berarti kalau dari pagi sampai siang berarti a.m. ya. Kemudian place-nya sudah benar di sini. Lalu tadi masih ada beberapa ya ini aja. So far it's good and you can enhance, you can improve your pronunciation. Jadi diperbaiki di beberapa pronunciation-nya saja. Any other advice from other students? Ada pendapat dari yang lain? Silahkan ditambahkan. Diberi komentar aja, bagus misalnya. Kemudian
Iya, Bu, sudah bagus.
Apanya?
Strukturnya juga udah lengkap.
Saya sama Olivia.
Oke, it's your result from you and Olivia. Oke, silakan.
Announcement. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. To all students, I acknowledge that Tony represents students in our school. As the best student in Surabaya, I hope Tony can even better. For other students, hopefully they can be inspired and develop their talents so they can achieve best performance at regional or national level. Thank you for your attention, Principal.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Ajeng. Well, you too fast when you read this announcement ya. Tidak usah buru-buru untuk membacanya. Oke, any other comments? Ada masukan dari teman-teman yang lain? Hasil dari announcement Ajeng dan Olivia. Okay, is there any comment?
Isinya tentang Tony salah satu pelajar terbaik di Surabaya.
Okay, good. And how about the closing? Sudah lengkap, sudah ada closingnya?
Sudah, Bu.
Okay, good. Berarti hasilnya sudah lengkap ya. Okay, this is the title, content, and closing. And ini adalah sudah memenuhi untuk written announcement. Okay, thank you. Well done. Okay, thank you Maureen and friends, and thank you for Ajeng and Olivia ya. Okay, thank you so much for your presentation. Okay, baik. Thank you so much for your participation to present your result with your friends. So, this is your evaluation ya. This is individual evaluation. So, ini adalah evaluasi kalian yang harus kalian kerjakan. Silahkan kalian klik link di bawah ini yang sudah saya share di WA group ya. You have 30 minutes ya, more about 30 minutes to finish it. And you can see the result. Okay, well students, thank you so much for your participation. Any questions so far? Ada pertanyaan dulu? Any questions so far, students?
Tidak.
Okay, what we have learned in our meeting today, students, is about announcement text. How many kinds of announcement text? How many kinds of announcement text?
Dua.
Okay, there are 2 kinds of announcement text. Apa saja?
Spoken.
Yeah, you can read spoken ya. Spoken and
Written.
okay, spoken and written announcement. How about the characteristic, Eka?
Use the title.
Okay, use the title and then any others? Okay, any others? Selain judul apa lagi?
Type or event.
Okay, type or event. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ya, event ya, jangan event. Okay, and then any other?
Closing.
What?
Closing.
Okay, closing. Okay, closing. Biasanya di bagian closing ada apa di situ?
Menulis.
Okay, the writer and contact information ya, atau contact person biasanya. Okay. Well, how about the spoken announcement? Bagaimana dengan pengumuman tertulis? What is the characteristic?
Attention please.
Okay, attention please. And where we usually find the spoken announcement? Di mana biasa kita jumpai spoken announcement?
Radio.
Okay. And any other?
School.
Okay, in school and then in public places, yeah, like market, yeah, and then bus station and railway station and etc. Okay, thank you so much, student. I think it's enough for today. So in our next meeting, we will discuss about simple past and present perfect tense. So be ready for that. You can look for any material from your book and from your internet ya. Jadi silakan belajar tentang simple past sama present perfect untuk bahan diskusi minggu depan. Okay, before I close this meeting, is there any question? No?
No.
Okay, no, okay, thank you. Well, students, I think it's enough for today. Thank you so much for your participation. Let's close our meeting by saying Hamdallah and lead this class before we close this meeting today. Oke, baik, silakan dipimpin berdoa sebelum kita tutup pelajaran hari ini.
To end our study today, let's pray. Finish. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, students. So see you next time and stay healthy and please keep social distancing and tetap semangat dan tetap belajar dari rumah. Okay, see you and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.